Welcome back. In this lesson, we'll learn about conditional or comparison operators in Python. Conditional operators are used to compare two values or expression in programming. It is also called as comparison operators because we are trying to compare two expressions or values. So there are totally 6 conditional operators in Python. So first one is equal to, not equal to, greater than, lesser than, greater than or equal to, and lesser than or equal to. So for equal to, we are using two equal to symbols over here because a single equal to is nothing but it's an assignment operator which is used to assign values to a variable. So if you want to check whether the right hand side quantity is equal to the left hand side quantity, we'll be using the double equal to symbol. For not equal to, we'll be using the exclamatory mark and then equal to. This is the not equal to operator. Then we have the greater than, lesser than, greater than equal to, and lesser than equal to. So whenever we are going to use the conditional operator, always the output will be true or false. Because we are checking for a condition, there can be only two possibilities. Either it can be true or false. So let me show with an example. I'll say print 5 is equal to 5. So what I'm saying is 5 is nothing but a value. So here equal to 5 I am checking. Now when I execute, you can see I'm getting the output as true. Because the right hand side and left hand side, both the quantities are equal. In case if I say 5 is equal to 7 and then if I run, I'll get the output as false because 5 is not equal to 7. So this is how we can check whether the right hand side and left hand side quantities are equal or not. So similarly, let's try with the not equal to operator. So let's say 5 not equal to 10. I'll run. I'm getting the output as true because 5 is not equal to 10. Let me show an example for greater than equal to. So 10 greater than 5. I'll run. So the output is true. So this is how we can use the conditional or comparison operators to evaluate or compare two expressions or values.